Alright, so I got another length of threaded rod, M12, and another couple of bearings, fitted them up and joined them together with a piece of chain. I set the height of the carriage and I finished fabricating the bed. I've changed the way I'm going to set the tracks up. I'm not going to use that angle. I'm going to incorporate a chain guard into the top cross brace using the angle I was going to use for the tracks. Okay, so a couple of sprocket and chain supports. And there is my chain guard. The winch motor with the ring gear removed, just sun gear and the planetaries and planetary carrier. Make a drive coupling, welding the right size socket to the planetary carrier. And fit it up to the chain drive sometime in the future. I machined a recess in the end of the socket so that it fits snugly into the planetary carrier. And I also welded in some triangulators for some lateral stability. I was going to sit the rollers this way on the angle, but I think this way's better. It's more stable and there's less chance of sawdust building up under the roller. Alrighty, so here we have the carriage on rollers, on tracks, ready to roll. And now I have something to mount my saw blade on. You beauty.